This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your Android phone. So we can just swipe up from the bottom and we're looking for the Google Play Store. We can just type in Play Store or something like that and it'll open up. This is what it looks like. You want to go to the Google Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Now this should be one of the top apps, so we can go to top charts and just see if it's under here, and it's number 5 right here in my location. Otherwise we can just go to search and type in WhatsApp and it should pop up, and we can go ahead and get WhatsApp. We can tap on this and install it to our phone, and mine says update. And once this is completed, we can go home here and we can go to our app list now and we can locate WhatsApp, hold down on it and go to add to home screen, and we can see on here, and we can try dragging it to the bottom here and adding it to our main bar down there. But we can just open it up, sign in with our account. Very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.